Hello everyone, today I'll be sharing with you this taco recipe using ground turkey. If you're new to the channel, make sure to click the subscribe button and the post notification bell next to it so you don't miss out on any future uploads. Please be sure to check out the new Hard-to-Go Cuisine merch, the link will be found in the description. Now let's get right into it. To a pot on medium-high heat, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of oil, followed by 1.5 pounds of ground turkey. Then we're going to add 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of dried cilantro, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, then we're going to add 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. We're going to reduce the temperature to a medium, cover, and then we're going to cook it for 15 minutes. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. See you guys next time.